Email marketing strategy to make money in 2026. 1. Pick a profitable niche. Choose a topic where people spend money: fitness, beauty, tech gadgets, finance, relationships, motivation, side hustles, etc. 2. Find or create a lead magnet. Offer something free so people subscribe to your email list. Free ebook, free guide, free checklist, free mini course, discount codes. This makes people trust you. 3. Build your email list. Use TikTok short videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, a simple website or landing page. In 2026, short-form content still brings massive traffic. Tell viewers to click a link to join your email list. 4. Send valuable emails. Send helpful tips, guides, or secrets. People only buy when they trust you, so add value first. 5. Make money in 3 ways. A. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products inside your emails. When someone buys, you get paid. Examples: Amazon, ClickBank, Digistore24, Impact.com, Awin, CPA offers. B. Sell your own digital products. In 2026, digital products are still the easiest way to earn. Ebooks, online courses, templates, meal plans, workout plans, money-making guides, 100% profit. C. Paid email promotions. Once your list grows big, companies can pay you to mention their product in your email. 6. Automate with email tools. Use MailerLite, ConvertKit, BeehiveSystem.io. Write a series of emails once, and the system sends them automatically to every new subscriber, making passive income. 7. Scale up. More content, more subscribers, more sales. This becomes a long-term income machine.